Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all of you, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you fine and God bless you. Okay, now I introduce myself. I am your drawing teacher of class 3 from Ismailia Youth Services School, and I hope all of you listen me carefully. Okay, student, before starting the class, please listen the instruction that you need to follow. You need to be listen carefully. Number two, if you have any question or query, please use chat box. I will answer you in last 10 minutes. You must have your drawing textbook, drawing copy, rough copy, and stationery box. Do all homework in your drawing midterm fair copy. All of you should have. Use the hand free if you are using the mobile and headphone for computer use. Take care of time for attending the class. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, try to join the lecture again within 5 to 10 minutes and take a screenshot of each slide for drawing. Student, take a screenshot of each slide for drawing. If you follow the steps, you can easily draw the diagram. Now, come to the content. Before starting the drawing, I will share some tips for drawing. Some tips for drawing. Availability of complete drawing kit is must. It means that you must have pencil, eraser, sharpener and ruler and drawing colors. Each diagram should be drawn in the correct way. It means that all of you draw the diagram in the center of the page and in the correct proportion. Use a sharp pencil with single firm line for drawing. Pencil should be sharp and pointed. Drawing should be clear, neat and clean. Coloring should be smooth, neat and clean. Okay, and object drawing. Today's our topic is the object drawing. Before starting the object drawing, I introduce the object drawing or define the object drawing. It is a form of visual art in which a person uses various drawing instruments to mark paper or another two-dimensional medium. Different types of drawing describe different type of content. It means that the object around us are the objects and we are see easily. These are the objects around us. Okay, now today's our topic is object drawing and choice diagram. And the subtopics are number one, house, number two, simple leaf, number three, geometrical design and square. And write your name by tone, that is choice diagram. That is the choice diagram. Write your name by tone. All these diagram in 3 steps. Before explain the picture number 1, I will share a riddle. I will share a riddle. I I am same safe place where people live. I am safe place where people live. Okay, answer is house. Very good. By using the different geometrical shape like circle, rectangle and triangle etc. making the house. The step number 1, draw a rectangle of 10 centimeter 10 centimeter length and 5 centimeter height. That is, the 10 centimeter is the length and 5 centimeter is the height. The cursor pointing the height of 5 centimeter and length 10 centimeter. That is made a rectangle. All of you draw it. Okay, student. This is the first step of making of house. In the second step, okay, like you uh, look at the picture number 2. Draw another rectangle inside the large rectangle at the distance of 4 centimeter. All of you, all of you draw it. You may you can easily draw by the ruler and pencil. Draw another rectangle in the left side of the large rectangle at the distance 4 centimeter. Above the 4 centimeter, draw a triangle. Above the 4 centimeter rectangle, draw a triangle and draw the parallel line at the right side of the triangle for making the roof of house as the picture shows. Okay, student? Any problem? No? Very good. All of you draw easily if you follow the steps. Take a screenshot for drawing. Okay, above the 4 centimeter rectangle, draw a triangle and draw parallel line at the right side of the triangle for making the roof of the house as shown in the picture. Okay, and the next step number 3. Okay, draw a door in the left side of the 4 centimeter. Cursor pointing the door. Okay, draw a window in the center of the large triangle and and draw a circle in the center of the triangle as shown in the figure. Okay, student, all of you uh, listen carefully. Draw a door in the left side of 4 centimeter rectangle and draw a window in the center of the large rectangle and draw a circle in the center of the triangle as shown in the figure. After completing the drawing, color the picture with your own choice like this. By using the different colors, you color it. Okay, all of you uh, take a screenshot. Okay, all of you take a screenshot and by using your own choice, color it. By using the different color, you are using the color in it. Okay. Before discussing the second topic, I ask the riddle. I am green color in plants. I am green color in plant. What I am? Leaves. Very good. Leaves. The next topic, the second topic is the simple leaf. And the second topic of simple leaf, I will in the first step, draw a circle with 5 centimeter diameter. This is the 5 centimeter diameter. Look at here, cursor pointing, the diameter is 5 centimeter. Draw a circle with 5 centimeter diameter. Draw a slightly curved line. Cursor pointing the slightly curved line of the circle as shown in the picture. All of you understand? What is the first step of the simple leaf? What is the first step of the simple leaf? Look at here. Draw a circle and after drawing a circle, draw a slightly curved line in the center of the circle as shown in the picture. Okay, in the next step number 2, draw the tip of and bottom of the leaf. as shown in the picture. As shown in, this is the tip of the leaf and this is the bottom of the leaf. We are drawing in the circle. Out of the circle we draw the tip of the leaf, and inside the circle we draw the bottom of the leaf as the picture shows. Okay, all of you understand? Take a screenshot. Because you take a screenshot, you can easily draw the diagram. Draw the tip and bottom of the leaf as shown in the picture. In the step number 3. Okay, in the step number 3, the draw the veins in the leaves. Okay, cursor pointing the veins inside the leaf. These are called veins of the leaf. First we draw the veins and then draw a stalk of the leaf at the bottom. At the bottom we draw a stalk and remove the lines of the tip and bottom of the leaf. Okay, okay student, all of you take a screenshot. Draw the veins in the leaf and draw stalk of the leaf at the bottom. Remove the lines of the tip and bottom of the leaf and color the picture. All of you know the color of the leaf is green, like this. All of you color it with green color. All of you take a screenshot and you can easily draw the diagram. Okay, before starting the picture number 3, I ask a riddle. I have 4 equal sides. I have 4 equal sides. Which geometrical shape I am? I have 4 equal sides. Which geometrical shape I am? Think about it. Right. The answer is square. The third topic is the geometrical design in square. Okay, student, by using the square, draw the geometrical design. Before drawing, you can take out your book, page number 35. Open the page number 35. Okay, in the step number 1, draw draw a square with 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter each side. All the sides are equal. 8 centimeter. Make a square. And mark each side 4 centimeter. And each side 4 centimeter. Marks the 4 centimeter. And with join with the marks with dotted line with the help of ruler. Okay, marks join with the help of dotted line with the help of ruler. Marks each side of the square at the distance 2 centimeter. Look at here, each side 2 centimeter. Marks the 2 centimeter on each side of the square. After it, in the step number 2, complete the dotted line and make 4 equal sides. Okay, and 4 equal square within the big square. A1, 2, 3, 4, and mark 2 centimeter of above and lower line of the square. Join with the marks with the help of ruler. These are the 2 centimeter distance in each square. Okay, take a screenshot for drawing. Complete the dotted line and 4 equal square within within a big square. Mark 2 centimeter of above and lower line of the square and join the marks with the help of ruler. In the next step, mark 2 centimeter left side and right side with the help of the ruler. 2 centimeter at the left side and right side, 2 centimeter, and join with the help of ruler. Okay, make the 16 small square within the large square as the shown in the picture. As shown in the picture, all of you know what are these squares? These small 16 small squares within a large square as shown in the picture. After drawing, color the picture with your own choice. Okay, look at the picture. Look at here. We use two colors, green and red, and make a design in a square, geometrical design in a square. Not necessary, it is only a one design in square. We can draw another design in the square. Okay, in the first step, draw a square with 6 centimeter each side. Join the opposite side corner of the square by using the scale. Opposite sides corner of the square by using the scale. Okay, take a screenshot for first step. Draw the square with 6 centimeters each side and join the opposite corner of the square. Join the opposite corner of the square by using the scale. Okay. In the next step, put the scale vertical in the center of the square and mark the upper and lower line. These are the mark upper and lower line. And put the scale horizontal in the center of the square and mark the left and right vertical lines of the square. All of you mark it, take a screenshot, and I repeat it. Put the scale vertical in the center of the square and mark the upper and lower line, and put the scale horizontal in the center of the square and mark the left and right vertical lines of the square. The next step number 3, join the mark with the help of scale as shown in the picture. And these are joined, four-sided are joined. After joining, make a beautiful design in a square, geometrical design. You know, in the geometrical design, the measurement is necessary. The measurement is necessary. Each square should be equal to each other and color the picture with your own choice like this. The beautiful colors are used for making a beautiful design in the square. Before starting the fourth topic, our fourth topic is conclusion. That is the fourth topic is the definition of the tone. First, we define the tone. What is the tone? Tone is new for you. That's why we can define the tone. Tone is the darkness and lightness of an object. Tone is the darkness and lightness of an object. It depends on the strength and the direction of light. It depends on the strength and direction of the light. Tone is shown by the gray and black shades only on the drawing. The different color tones are made by the mixing of gray color and pure white color. Okay, these are the picture which shows the tones light to dark, light, medium and dark. Here is a picture by the coloring light, medium and dark. But we are using only pencil shade. We don't use the colors in the tone. Before drawing, we are share some tips for tone. Students follow the instruction. Student follow the instruction for tone. Observe the direction of sources of light. Observe the direction of source of light. Use hard and soft pencil. These are the tips for tones. Pencil, soft pencil and hard pencils. These are the pencil numbers. 2H to H, hard pencils. 2H to H, hard pencils used for outline. Okay, student? These are the pencil numbers 2H and H. Hard pencils used for outlines. Number 2, HB and B and 2B are the soft pencils used for freehand sketching. HB, B and 2B are the soft pencils used for freehand sketching. And number 3, 3B to 7B, very soft pencils used for shading of tones. Used for shading of tones. Okay, make availability of complete pencil kit. It means in the pencil kit, all these pencils you have. Okay, before you draw a picture using the tone, observe below the tone chart. This is the tone chart, light, medium and dark. We are using by the pencil shade light, medium and dark. These are the tones we are using in the pictures. Okay, student, in the topic number 4, we are step number 1. Draw in the tone. Write your name by tone. Draw two parallel lines of 10 centimeter at the distance 5 centimeter as the picture shows. Draw two parallel lines of 10 centimeter and distance of 5 centimeter as the picture shows. Okay, student, take a screenshot for drawing. Write your name by tone. Okay, 10 centimeter of the distance and 5 centimeters of the picture shows. Okay, in the second step, in between the parallel lines, write your name. For example, your name is Ali. For example, your name is Ali. Write Ali with double lines as the slide shows. Double lines as the slide shows. Okay. Take a screenshot. In between the parallel line, write your name. After writing your name, for example, your name is Ali. Write Ali with double line as the slide show. And in the step number 3, after writing the name, we see the source of light as shown in the picture. Source of light. This is the source of light. Where the source of light is larger, that's why upper portion of the Ali is light, light gray, then medium and then dark. We are using the soft and dark pencil by tone, light gray, medium gray and dark gray. These are three tones, light, medium and dark. Another name, if you I am sure another name Ikra. In the Ikra for girls, light, medium and dark. These are the three tones in the name, light, medium and dark. After it, thus we are shared the home task. Draw a house and color it in your drawing copy. In your drawing copy, draw a house and color it. Write your name by tone in your drawing copy. Before writing the name, make a title page of tone. Then on the next page, write your name by tone. With the help of soft and dark pencils or hard pencils, draw a geometrical design in square and color it on page number 35 in drawing book. Okay, student, this is your uh, book diagram. Draw geometrical design in square and color it on page number 35 in drawing book. Next, draw a simple leaf and color it on page number 19 in drawing book. Okay, student, all of you understand all the home tasks. Okay, I repeat it. Draw a house and color it in your drawing copy. Write your name by tone in your drawing copy. Draw geometrical design in square and color it on book. Page number 35. Okay, in book. Draw a simple leaf and color it in on page number 19 in drawing book. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.